All right, what's up, guys? We got a haul for you today. Got two hauls, or Disney World, and we got Universal Studios Orlando. We're gonna start with Disney World here. This is all of the stuff. So we literally just got back 10 minutes ago. Mom just dropped us off. So let's get started with this haul right away. Stop it. All right, so let's start off with what I'm wearing. This is not gonna be in any order at all, so I'm just gonna be grabbing whatever. Let's start off with this Hades Spirit jersey. You saw Mary Lou wear it in the vlog already. There it is. Disney World on the back. And then, can I see that?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it?
Mm.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Got Hades on there, Disney World, and Kratos sniffing in the background. But yeah, I got some blue stripes, or heat, or flame, blue flames on both sleeves, bottom. It's super nice. I like it. Next up, so this one was $65. This particular Spirit jersey, it was really hard to find. We looked in all 4 parks. We ended up finding it at Disney Springs at Disney Style near the AMC Theater. Mm-hmm. They still had a little bit, but only 1 rack. So we were grateful we found it. I guess we can move on to these, right?
Yeah, the new ones. I mean, the freebies.
These were the freebies from the hotels that we stayed at. I'll probably just only open one because those are just duplicates.
Well, mostly the contemporary, because remember when now at Anime they don't let you get the.
Oh yeah, yeah. These are mostly from the Contemporary Hotel. Got a shower cap, sea salt face soap, vanity kit, conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. And then these are duplicates as well. Majority is from Contemporary because the Art of Animation, they don't give bottles. They had him, actually big bottles, kind of attached to the shower. We weren't able to take it home. But we did grab a few from both of them. They did have facial soap that we were able to grab. So yeah, we like to, collect these things. Use them never. Sorry for the wrinkledness. There's a Mickey Disney World shirt. Kind of gives me the 80s vibe or 90s vibe, that retro style. Kind of looks like Saved by the Bell. But this one was, this one came with, but I got them together for $222. $22.50. $22 each when you buy 2. These Disney World shirts. We got them at the. Oh yeah, we were in the store in Disney World, that Magic Kingdom, and they had that deal. Buy 2, $22 each. So yeah, Mary Lou got this sweater as well from the same spot in Magic Kingdom, and this one was, how much was this? This one was $50 for this Disney World sweater, and Mary Lou likes them oversized. I guess that's the style now. Mm-hmm. This is the limited edition Madame Leota ears, mini ears. You can see it has a sequins.
And that's for Belle.
And this one is for Belle. For her birthday. This is for her birthday, which just passed. And this one was it was limited edition. This was $34.99. They didn't have many. If you guys are looking to get some. Yeah. Oh, some candy. This is for one of the kids, right? Mm-hmm. These are really, really good. They're not hard. They're pretty soft to eat. And always had this in line as a snack. And this one was from Contemporary Hotel. The new
Refillable.
The new refillable mug, $20, and then you get a refill at any resort Disney property. So yeah, it was well worth grabbing. All right, next bag. This one is a mug, I believe. Hollywood Tower Hotel mug.
So you're gonna tell me the story about the mug at California Adventure before it was changed forever, before it was gone forever.
So this Hollywood Tower Hotel mug is. Wait, is oh, these are heat sensitive.
Oh.
These come out. You can see them when the cup is hot with any hot drink. And this particular one was $14.99. Had to pick it up.
Yes. So you can tell them.
All right, next we got this Star Wars bag. I don't know what it is. Dun dun dun. This is Sarah's Christmas present, so don't say anything, guys. Shh. This is the Legacy lightsaber. And then under it is Rey's. Is it upside down?
No.
Okay. This is Rey's lightsaber. I want to open it, but I can't.
It's
I don't want to. It's taped well, so you can't open it. Yeah, this is her Christmas present. She's gonna be super excited.
Those
I want one.
with tax is like $150.
Yeah, with tax is $150. You can attach any size. There's 2 or 3 sizes for it. You can attach either one of them to your liking. When we go to Disney, when it opens, we'll have her pick whatever one she wants. And we hear that Buena Vista Street is opening at Disneyland, so I'm sure they're gonna have a pop-up for Star Wars there, and that's coming in a couple weeks. So we're thinking about going over there. Next up, basin bag. So these you can only get at Disney World. These are the bath bombs that, they become Mickey heads. So here's the first one. Smell really good. Pink one. And there's about 5 in here.
Those are good.
And these ones are gifts. We got some ribbon and some bags that we're gonna give away for them. These ones are 40% off. As you can see, you got 4 of them.
Nope. Up.
What's those?
Those are the newest ones.
These are the newest ones that came out with. There's 2 more bags here.
The flower pot.
Yeah,
in there.
I know. I'm gonna
Put those in there.
check them. These are the Starbucks. I'm not gonna open
Yeah,
them.
because I'll just show them
Yeah.
mine. Okay, I'm gonna show you what ours.
Just gonna show you the ones that we have right now. Because those are the same exact ones. Mary Lou was giving them to her coworkers. This is a Starbucks mug. These are $26 each.
Cute.
This was a flower pot that the Poke came in at Epcot. So we decided to keep it because it's cool. Love it.
Cute, yeah.
And these reusable bags were $1. I mean, I'm sure you guys know that. We have one at every park. We got Epcot, we got at Galaxy's Edge, we got
The Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios.
Galaxy's Edge over there as well.
Yeah, it is awesome.
These next ones are pins.
What's the last one?
This is the last one for Disney World. So these are the collection of pins that we've got. Right.
So we forgot which one.
Yeah, we can't remember where we got these ones, but we got them at Disney World. So This was from Disney Art of Animation Hotel. We stayed one day here because we wanted to. It's a really nice hotel. So we got one for each hotel that we stayed at. And here's the Contemporary. And Emperor's New Groove. This is Hades. Dr. Finkelstein. The Haunted Mansion. Hitchhiking Ghosts. The Emperor's New Groove. Cusco and Yuzma. This is a cool one. You don't really see these.
I don't know
Yeah.
the name of Disneyland.
Yeah. This is the Florida Orange Bird. I forgot the name. You can only get it in Orlando, Florida, Disney World. Logo Tower Hotel with Chip and Dale. Figment. You can only get that in Disney World. Another Hades pen, limited release as well. This one's super nice. Dr. Facilier. You hardly see this one as well. It's hard to find him. He's in some 2020 ones. There's the Animal Kingdom one. And then we like this one because we donated, it gets donated 10% to the Conservation Fund. And we got this one at Animal Kingdom too. So then Scrooge McDuck. You don't find them either. And then Gus Gus and what's the other small one's name? Babe? The mouse?
Jacques.
Jacques. Gus Gus and Jacques?
Jacques.
Jacques Cousteau. I've been collecting these finally, and I was finally able to finish the collection. And I got all those on my fanny pack. So I can start a new one. This one was, I think it was R2-D2 and the Jawas. Those are the ones that came in this box. So I think I've only opened a total of 6 boxes, and I was able to get, no, 8 boxes, and I was able to finish the collection. And these ones are gifts. You've seen this one already. Yep. Hades again. So I'm putting it in. Here's my pin collection so far. Finish the set. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it for Disney.
That's it?
Yeah.
Can you give me another bag?
Here, stop it, baby.
Oh, sorry.
How much time? Forgot to do 2 more. These are magnets, also gifts. This one was 2020, Disney World, and another one, See the Magic, Disney World. That was it. That's all for Disney World Orlando. So let's move on to all right. This is the Universal Studios Orlando Hall. Majority from Harry Potter. Not gonna have any orders. So I'm just gonna pull them. So let's get started. What is this? I think it's a football. That's a wand from Ollivanders. This is Cedric.
Scratch?
Oh, dirty.
Oh.
Cedric Diggory's wand. Do you see that? This is the interactive wand as well. Get the map. Do interactive on both parks when you take the train through from the Hogwarts Express train, Hogsmeade to Diagon Alley or vice versa. The wand was $55. Yeah, the wand was $55 plus tax, $64. This one's really nice. And Mary Lou's robe. Dying to get one of these for a very long time. RJ and Kehlani got it for her. So this was $130. So you guys didn't already know, the real robes have one pocket right here on the left side. Got another Butterbeer cup. Gotta have one of those. Some Gilly water.
Can't see it. Put it back there. Yeah.
Some Gilly water. I think there's a pen here. This one is the mermaid from Moaning Myrtle's bathroom. So in the bath where Harry Potter opens the egg, right there. All right, this one is the cauldron cake box. It's just really cool. The cauldron cake was $11. Love these.
Can't see it.
Fizzing Whizbees. Fudge Flies.
Those are like our favorite ones.
Yeah, these we only got what our favorite ones are. There's so many to choose from, but these ones are our favorite. Chocolate Frog. Hopefully we get Godric Gryffindor. Or no, Gilderoy Lockhart. That's what
Oh
we
yeah.
need. The Chocolate Frogs are $12. And these were $8.99. Got another pin here. This is Dumbledore's Army pin. This one was $9. The Hogwarts Castle pin, $12. Gotta have another one because Kratos chipped the other one. Another cauldron mug, or bowl, or ice cream bowl. This one was $18.95.
Wait, no.
I thought we had more. Got a pygmy puff for Lily. Oh my! This one was $18.95. When did you put this in?
Huh?
When did you put these in there?
Don't see the place. Some kids want to run.
These are Hogwarts keychains of all the house emblems in there. The 3 chocolate frogs, 1, 2, and 3 for $30. You guys know what they look like. There you go. I think. Nope. Oh, these are just bags.
Oh yeah.
One more. This is a Slytherin Keeper pin
That's for Sarah.
for Sarah.
Because she was.
She's a Slytherin. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's all the. That was the end of the haul. Got a lot of stuff from Harry Potter. We got a lot of stuff from Orlando, Universal. We got a lot of stuff from Disney World, Orlando. We had a really great trip. Hopefully, we can go back and buy more things. See you later, guys. So as I was editing the haul, I totally forgot that we had some items that we bought at Universal that were not shown on the haul because, as you can tell from last vlog, I don't know how we lost some footage, something wrong with SD cards, but we did buy some 2020 merch for the kids, and I'll show it up right here. And we also bought a jacket for Kehlani, also a Mickey rain jacket right here too. I'll show that right here too. But yeah, and I just want to let you guys know that and show you guys.